All right, just reset me again, but this material here is actually the bottom of this shingle. So we definitely have some delamination. You can see it all the way down here. If I flip this bad boy over, it's pulled out material. All this black stuff is a sealant. This flat stuff is the actual material from the shingle beneath it. So it's pulled the matting all the way down to the core, as you can see, as evidenced by the fiberglass. Now, if we can find my other shingle I brought, there she is. This is also a CertainTeed landmark. The current version, they did some changes with it. If you can see here, you can see the CertainTeed logos right here. CertainTeed Saint Gobain. That's French for Saint Gobain. Possibly, we're making stuff up, but this is the new, this is the old. So as you can see, pretty dramatic sizing difference. The old 12 inches and the new 13 1/4. The old has a 5-inch reveal and the new has 5 5/8. Overall length, the old is 36 inches and then the current is 38 3/4. So pretty big size differentiation. The issue isn't cutting it this way, it's cutting it this way. Why is that a factor? If I cut 5/8 of an inch off the bottom of this, I'm now exposing some of this sealant bond. It's going to lay over top of this area here and only bond to the applique layer and nothing else, thus jeopardizing the overall sealant of that shingle, and naturally with CertainTeed products being low quality, likely blowing off. All right, let's toss this sucker back in. So we're going to do the opposite of what we already did. If you really want to see it, you can also just put your video in reverse. It's the exact same thing, no extra charge. Let's get this baby nailed back in. Now, why does it matter on the reinstallation being more difficult? Because I don't have to just get it up high enough to pull a nail out. I have to get it high enough to strike the shingle in. When you manipulate these shingles, they can crease. So you can see a bunch. That's actually torn down all the way through. I wasn't kidding when I said those things were harder than an SAT test.